We just passed the 1,000-foot mark. We're going down to lower altitudes in Death Valley here, descending into the bowels of hell. Do you know where that mist thing is that we had in the car?
Somewhere.
If you can find it, that would be great. Because we're going to need it.
There it is.
If it's hot, we'll just...
No, it's cool because
oh, the air
over
conditioning.
there it's...
Good. Because that'll help a lot. Some kind of building up there.
Visiting center?
I don't think it is. Yeah, we have 3.8 miles to go until we reach the visitor center. This is
Oh, this is...
Zabriskie Point. I don't know. Do you want to climb up there right now? I just passed it, I think.
Not right.
Alright, we continue our descent into hell.
Yes.